Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Fosak TV USA. The global health governing body, the World Health Organization, has approved two new treatments of coronavirus on Friday, January 14, amid a sharp rise in the virus case globally. In the efforts to counter the threat imposed by the COVID-19, it is variants. Experts and scientists around the world are working to find treatments to minimize the risks. The latest approval came as several countries are witnessing a step surge in the number of COVID cases fueled by the variant of concern Omicron. Also, important to note that the COVID treatment recommendations by WHO are updated regularly based on new data from clinical trials. Now, arthritis drug baricitinib used with corticosteroids to treat severe or critical COVID patients led to better survival rates and reduced need for ventilators, the WHO experts said in their recommendation in British Medical Journal, that is called BMJ. The Janus Kensi JAK inhibitor baricitinib, which is also used to treat rheumatoid arthritis, is strongly recommended for patients with severe or critical COVID-19 in combination with corticosteroids. An expert group from the World Health Organization has written in the BMJ, a part of journal Read. Experts also recommended synthetic antibody treatment Sotrovimab for people with non-serious COVID at highest risks of hospitalization, such as the elderly people with immunodeficiencies or chronic disease such as diabetes. Sotrovimab's benefits for people not at risk of hospitalization were deemed insignificant, and the WHO said its effectiveness against new variants like Omicron was still uncertain. Only 3 other treatments for COVID have received WHO approval, starting with corticosteroids for several patients in September 2020. Corticosteroids are inexpensive and widely available and fight inflammation that commonly accompanies severe cases. Arthritis drugs, tocilizumab and sarilumab, which the WHO endorsed in July, are IL-6 inhibitors that suppress a dangerous overreaction of the immune system to the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Baricitinib is in a different class of drugs known as Janus kinase inhibitors, but it falls under the same guidelines as the IL-6 inhibitors. When both are available, choose one based on issuing, including cost and clinical experience, the guidelines say. Synthetic antibody treatment Regeneron was approved by the WHO in September, and the guidelines say Sotrovimab can be used for the same type of patient. Beyond this report, Fosak TV USA.